Hello everyone, this is Tarun here from Fagor Professional. Today I am preparing a dish which is known as Fatteh, a popular Middle Eastern dish which has layers of pita chips, warm chickpeas and garlic tahini yogurt. It is such a wonderful meatless meal which you can just prepare in 20 minutes. As an Indian chef, being in this region for almost a decade, I wanted to incorporate some Indian flavors into the dish. So I am going to prepare Fateh, the Middle Eastern chaat. Now chaat, as everyone knows, it is mix of plethora of Indian street food, which is like sweet, tangy, spicy, lot of textures, lot of colors, and it's highly addictive. So let's check out the ingredients. We have chickpeas from Europe, we have yogurt, we have tahini, we have minced garlic, we have lemon, we have eggplant, we have heavy cream, we have mint and coriander chutney, we have tamarind chutney, cumin powder, za'atar, fresh pomegranate, save namkeen, fresh coriander, Arabic bread, oils and seasonings. So our first step is to make yogurt espuma. We will take full fat yogurt, then we take 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, about half a lemon, cooking cream and 2 spoons of tahini, salt, black pepper. Now we have to mix it. Our garlic yogurty tahini sauce is ready. I have a whipper here and I'm going to pour the sauce into this. So now we close this. Okay, our next step is to take the eggplant and cut into dices. So perfect dices. Now we'll add olive oil, generous amount of salt, black pepper, keeping it simple. Give it a nice stir. And spread it evenly on the tray. So now we move to our next step, which is Arabic bread. This is 1 day old and I'm going to thinly shred them. So for the Arabic hummus, thin juliennes of Arabic bread, which we will going to toast into oven. Now we move to our star ingredient, which is chickpeas from Europe. A generous amount of olive oil. I just love olive oil, to be very honest. Za'atar. This za'atar is from the Jordan. So I will pour my chickpeas here. So now I'm going to cook my recipe into Fagor Ikore oven, the new range of ovens. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use multi-tray cooking feature. So I select dry heat. I choose the temperature 180 degrees Celsius. My first tray, which is bread, I will put it for 3 minutes. My second one, which is the eggplant, I'll put it for 10 minutes. And the last one is the chickpeas. I want it nice, brittle and crunchy, so I will do it for 15 minutes. That's it. Bingo! crispy Arabic bread. So our second tray is ready, which is eggplant, completely baked, not fried. And let's wait for our last tray, which is roasted chickpeas. So nice roasted chickpeas are right over here. Now it's time for plating. So first we will begin it with our crispy Arabic bread. Then we take our eggplant, yogurt espuma. We have roasted cumin powder, mint and coriander chutney, tamarind chutney, fresh pomegranate. My favorite part, crispy save. This will add a nice color and crunch to your dish. We have our star ingredient, which is crispy za'atar chickpeas. For the freshness, we will use coriander sprigs.